Okay, student, this is 13.4. So I want to talk about more advanced features for the Power BI, which is artificial intelligence or AI. So in Microsoft Power BI, it also add more features about artificial intelligence or AI. So when you publish, you can see get quick insight. If you click this, it take you to the page that try to extract the understanding of the data or insight of the data so that you can explore more of it. Okay, so it's gonna show you that, for example, there is a correlation between bike return and country. So this is it's what working behind the scene is also the statistics functions and also machine learning and artificial intelligence. So you can use this kind of feature to see that actually uh, the more count of country, the higher bike return. So this doesn't make any sense because you have more country, you have more bike return, right? But sometimes you have more meaningful, like for example, like this, and you can see that if you have group of product by color, right? And if you have like product average product price very low and you have quantity return very high, something like this. Okay, you can have um, quantity sold. So in this case, accessory have the highest sold. Uh, okay, you can have a lot of insight from these features or this function. So, and also I want to show you the AI for Power BI desktop as well, because you can add it into another page called Q&A. Okay, let's get back to the program. Okay, when you get back to the program, you can see some of the AI capability called Q&A visualization here. So I will add Q&A page. Okay, so this, and also I want to add the visual for the Q&A. Okay, it pop up with some suggestions, some suggestion questions like what is the total cost by SKU category. Okay, if you look at it, it's gonna show you the visualizations by category. So SKU category actually, um, if we look at the keyword. For example, if you want to know sorry, revenue by category, revenue by category name. Okay, it's gonna show you the category, right, and revenue for each category. So that is a very useful functions. Okay, you can actually find almost everything. Like you can find like total revenue for bike Okay, bike. Okay, so this is total revenue for bike. And if you want to find, so this is number, right? This is total bike. This is this number. But if you want to find total revenue for red bike, you can do that as well. So this is very useful for finding the information or using the Q&A functions. Okay, actually you can do something more, like if you click this one, you can teach the AI, okay, some of the, okay, you can have Q&A set up. You can teach Q&A or teach AI how to answer. And okay, this Q&A, you can teach this, and you can review questions, and if there is some question that people most frequently ask and is still misunderstanding, you can make it correct, and you can teach AI for how to answer as well. Okay, so you can look at this video how to do it. It's very intuitive. Okay, it's not difficult at all, and you can have the Q&A visualizations that there's also some of the question that is already pop up for you, and if somebody want to ask, they can just go straight to this one. Okay, it's good features for the Power BI desktop. Okay, we will explore more about the key influencer. For example, I will add another page called key influencer. Okay, so if you want to get into the AI for another visualizations, you can go and click key influencer. Okay, and you want to analyze what? So this is the field that you want to analyze. You want to analyze, you want to know why how to increase the profit, right? Total profit. You want to analyze profit. Explained by what? Explained by the type of product color, right? You want to know what product color can make you more profit, or you can put the product name. Okay, in this case, I want to explain by product name first. Okay, so it's learning analysis. Okay, you want to analyze profit explained by the product name. So it's gonna identify key influencer for you if you use key influencer visualizations. Okay, so it asks you to tell, you want to know increase or decrease. You want to know increase, right? And this is not enough. They want you to add explain by more, product name, product price. Okay, you can have. Okay, it's telling you that now it's telling you that if you want to increase product price go up, as product price increase, total profit also increase. For example, a growth in product price increase by this influencer contain 100% of data. Okay, so as you can see, average profit increased 62 times. Okay, 62 times. When you have, make it bigger. Okay, so if you look at the key influencer, when product price go up, the average of total profit increased by 62.92K. Okay, so that is explanations. It's very similar to when you use multiple regressions. Okay, so that is how you can use key influencer, and this is also in some case you want to change it to like something else. There's gonna be also another tab called top segment, but this is no segment found in this. What do we want to know? What else do we want to know? Maybe we want to know, we want to analyze the profit, right? Explained by the territory. Okay, maybe country. Okay, if there is not significance, it's not gonna be showing. So that means entry is not significant. So you have to find something that is so no influencer found. Okay, and you can change if you want to see total revenue by the continent. Is there any key influencer? So nothing. If you want to put more like regions, is there any key influencer? Or if you want to put like sale territory or sale in territory, no. So you have to try to figure out what is the key influencer for specific analysis that you want to find. Okay, analyze total revenue based on, if you want to analyze total revenue based on customer, okay, you can go to customer lookup data and you can put like educations. Is there any education have the effect to the total revenue or not? Okay, no, it's not significant, so you don't find it. And how about first name? Okay, so that is okay. Let's see the explanations. When education is bachelor, the average the rate of total revenue increased by 6 something. When education is partial college, so Okay, so this is when you look at this graph, it shows the education level. Oh, sorry. Total revenue is more likely to increase when educational is bachelor than it's very small. Otherwise, on average, you can see that partial college and also this one graduate degree, this one high school, this one partial high school, and if you have education level that is bachelor, average revenue is gonna be higher, right? So that means if you focus on increase the revenue, you should focus more on the people who have the educational level, which is bachelor, right? So this is how you use the key influencer. When is the total revenue more likely to be high? We found two segments and ranked by average total revenue and population size. So this one represents the size two segments. If you want to see in more detail, okay, you can click it and you can see that segment 1 educational level is bachelor. Okay, you can look at the detail of segment 2. Okay, so that is a key influencer that you can use, and it will explain for you. Every explanation will put into the words so that you can read and try to understand, including the visualizations. So that is AI capability. You can have AI quick insight from Power BI service when you publish to the cloud, and you can also have Q&A, and you can also have key influencer. You can try it by yourself. You can try and mix and match that what I'm trying to show you how to do it, and you will see and you read it and try to understand it. You will understand more. Okay, so this is you can put this into your report as well once you connect everything. Okay, so your term project is going to be about loading the data to the program, create data model, create visualizations, and put Q&A, and then identify key influencer. So that's all for term project. Okay, so I think you learn a lot from these subjects, and it's gonna help you to understand data much better than others who don't know anything about this kind of knowledge. Okay, good luck. See you later. Bye bye.